Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sibligan. First, let's gather our essential ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. We will use 2 pounds of flavorful pork belly, along with 1 large onion, 4 garlic cloves, and 2 pieces of ginger for a robust aromatic base. Do not forget the 2 green chilies and 1 cup of creamy coconut milk, which are key for that authentic taste. Once you have your 2 pounds of pork belly, cut it into uniform 1-inch cubes. This helps everything cook evenly. Next, season these pieces generously with 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and 1 full tablespoon of savory fish sauce. Allow the pork to marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes, letting those flavors truly penetrate. This step is crucial for developing a rich, deep taste in every bite. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over a steady medium flame. Add your minced garlic, sliced onion, and grated ginger, sautéing them gently for approximately 2 minutes until wonderfully fragrant. Now, introduce your marinated pork belly, cooking until each piece is lightly browned, sealing in those juices. Finally, pour in 1/4 cup of vinegar and allow it to simmer, untouched, for 5 full minutes. At this stage, gently incorporate your sliced green chilies and any other fresh vegetables you prefer, like vibrant bell peppers or crisp long beans. Now, pour in the full 1 cup of rich coconut milk, stirring it carefully to evenly coat every ingredient in the pot. Reduce your heat to a low setting and allow the dish to simmer very gently for 20 to 25 minutes. This slow process ensures the pork becomes wonderfully tender and the sauce thickens perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.